Now for this one, they say that Sam scored an average of 80 marks for 3 tests. Okay, before you read on, right, go and find the total marks first. Don't bother reading for any further. So remember I told you before, right, whenever you see a question and then you can find out a micro detail, right, find a micro detail first, don't read on. Okay, so 3 times 80, that will give us 240. So total for all the subjects, all the tests, right, you got 240. He said that he's got 20 more for science than English, and then they said that for math he's got 5 lower than English. So we know that the highest is science and the least is math. Okay, so let's just start drawing. Science longest bar, English in the middle, math is the least. Okay, so they say 20 more for science than English, which means that from here to here is 20, and then for math he's got 5 lesser, lower than for English. So from here to here it will be 5. Okay, which means that from here to here is 20, and the total is 240. So this is how you draw a model. They say how many marks did he score for the English, so it's question mark for this. Okay, now how do you do this? Very simple. We want to make all the units the same. I want to make this the same as English. How? I add an imaginary 5. I add an imaginary 5 to 240. So this one I add an imaginary 5. Then for this one, how? I minus 20. I minus 20. So do you see that after I add in this 5 and I minus this 20, all the units are now the same? Okay, then I divide by 3. I divide by 3 to find 1 bar, and that's the English. So 240 plus 5 minus 20. So 240 plus 5 is 245. Minus 20 will be 225. So 225 divided by 3. So we take 225 divided by 3, that will give me 75. Okay, easy, right? So remember for average, right, go and find the total first, find the micro detail, then depending on the question, go and draw the model for this one. Alright, done.